Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Christelle, and I'm here today to basically share with you a great opportunity that I've come across and that I've been making money with. It's called MCA. If you have heard of it, great. If you haven't, basically MCA offers different kinds of benefits and also different kinds of service. But today I don't want to talk about the benefits and the service, but I want to talk about how can you make money with MCA. So there are two ways to actually making money with MCA. The first and front way is actually doing affiliate marketing. So what you're basically doing is you're selling MCA to other people, and whenever actually they buy the service or they want to actually start doing the affiliate marketing side of MCA, well, you make $80 commission. The second way to actually make money is by having more and more people in your group. So once you have a lot of people in your group, what happens is that if those people actually make a sale, you make at least $6 from every sale that they're gonna make. One of my passion in life is always being able to help other people. I think you know this saying that goes like this: don't give a man a fish, but teach him how to fish. Because listen, I have to actually teach you how you can actually make money, how you can get out of the rat race, how you can actually start investing in yourself. So this is actually a great way to start investing in yourself, right? So if you don't invest in yourself, who's gonna do it in your place? What, your job? Forget it. Your job can fire you at any time they want, and they own you. And so you may ask yourself a question: how much is it gonna cost me to actually join MCA and to start making money online? It costs about $40 to actually start your own affiliate marketing. Now once you join MCA, which is gonna cost you $20, and then you have to get my system, which is the Get Weekly Paycheck. That will actually promote your MCA service, and every time when you make a commission, you make $80, right? And if you have members in your group, when they make a sale, you make $6. So in total, you're making $86 if you have members that are also selling. The other thing is, if you join today, even if you don't have knowledge on how to actually market your MCA, we have a group, and in that group we actually teach people how they can actually market their own MCA service, and you too can start making as much as $300 a week or more every single week. Okay, it all depends on you. I'm right now not making that much compared to my mentor. Basically, his name is Kato Kamir. If you have heard of it, great. This guy is actually killing it with MCA, but that doesn't actually stop me to go out there and basically promote this to you. So like I said, we all have a group, and if you join today, we're gonna teach you how to do this thing. All that you have to have is have an internet, a laptop, you know, or if you have a phone, you can do it with your phone. So as long as you have connection to the internet, you're good to go. It's not really that difficult to do. It's really that easy. So those that take action are the ones that see results. That's what I always believe. So for me, at first, I was kind of like, is this a scam, or is this really something that you can make money out of? And once I started making money, I was like, whoa, this thing is true. So it's not a scam. So then I was like, you know what? I want to do more of this. So I started investing more into running ads and stuff like that. So yeah, guys. So don't forget to take action. Don't put to tomorrow what you can do today. So those that take action are the ones that only will see results. If you never take action in your life, you will always stay broke and you will always stay poor. And you don't want to be that guy. If I can do it, you can do it too. I know you have the power to do it. I know you can do it. You have the ability. So click that button. If you're a smart guy and if you're a smart marketer, you would definitely click that button, and I will see you on the other side.